Hi everyone, it's Cassie, the Young Teen Librarian at East Hampton Library. Today for our virtual Make and Take craft, I'm going to show you how to make Fizzing Easter Egg Art. So for Fizzing Easter Egg Art, what you are going to need is watercolor paper cut into Easter egg shapes, and this is my sample of one that I made before. And I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to show you how to make that. So as I said, you will need watercolor paper cut into Easter egg shapes. I have 3 here. You will also need baking soda. You will need vinegar. So that is what is in each of these little containers. I put a little bit of vinegar into all 6 of these containers. You will also need food coloring, or as I have here, liquid watercolor paints. So this one is the red. So you need those. You will also need a foil-lined plastic tray or baking sheet. I have my foil-lined tray right here. You will need, of course, the disposable cups that you will put the vinegar and liquid watercolor paint into, and then disposable spoons. I have 1 spoon to spoon out the baking soda, and then 6 more spoons for each of the colors. So for each of them, I'm going to show you how to do that. You're just going to dribble some watercolor into the container, and then we're going to take our spoon, we're going to stir that around. Then we will continue with the other 5 colors. I did dribble, if you notice, there's a little red dot on there right now. That won't really be an issue because we will be covering everything up with more food color, with more of the liquid watercolor paints. All right, we have our 6 colors. Give each of them a stir with our spoons. So the next part is fairly simple. We're just going to take our baking soda and we are going to cover each of these Easter egg shapes with baking soda. I would say just do a little bit. That's probably 1 scoop per thing. You don't want it to be covered too much because then you won't really get the effect of the baking soda, because what we're essentially doing is we're sprinkling these with baking soda, and then we are going to sprinkle the vinegar watercolor paint, liquid watercolor paint mixture on top of it, and it will make the baking soda fizz, and then you will get like a kind of a cool effect. But we don't want to cover them too much with baking soda because then it will just be one continuous piece. You won't really see the texture and everything. So we're going to do this in order. So the red and the orange will be on this one, the yellow and the green will be on here, and the blue and the purple will be on this one. So now comes the fun part. Now because they're on these sheets together, there might be a little bit of overlap on these edges of the things, but that is all right. So while we're waiting for that to fizz down some more, we will do the middle one. Another potential way to do this, if you had the materials, if you had a bunch of little spray bottles, you could put vinegar and liquid food coloring into the spray bottles and spritz that onto the products. But I'm going to assume most people do not have a ton of little spray bottles just laying around. There you have it. They will have to dry, And then eventually, once they've dried, they will come out looking something like this. And because of the baking soda and the baking soda dried in there, it has a slightly rough texture. So it is a very cool craft to make. So that is what they look like, and that is Fizzing Easter Egg Art. And of course, it could be fizzing art for anything. You could use it with any types of shapes you want. The original inspiration that I found for this used heart shapes. But since it is Easter time, I decided to use Easter eggs. And it's kind of cool because if you think about it, you paint Easter eggs, so this is a way to paint Easter eggs without actually having physical eggs on hand. Alright everyone, so that was how to make fizzing Easter egg art, and I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope it inspired you to make your own fizzing Easter egg art, or just fizzing art in general. And I hope that you all have a great rest of your day.